Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can buy Kishu Inu yourself. So this is super easy. The first thing you want to do, go to CoinMarketCap and find Kishu Inu, and here you can find all the information about it. So what you want to do then, you want to go to contracts, and here we can see that it is running on the Ethereum network. We want to copy this address and make sure you're using the Chrome web browser. Go to metamask.io and download this onto your Chrome browser. So go ahead and hit install MetaMask for Chrome. Then it will bring you over to this page on the Chrome Web Store. Hit install and then go to the top once you've installed it and find MetaMask. Now let's open it. And now we want to go to main network, which is running on Ethereum, as you can see here. Make sure it's on the main network. That's really important. What we want to do then, we want to add Ethereum to this wallet and then later change this to Kishu Inu on this wallet. So what we want to be using for that is Coinbase. So we are going to send from Coinbase to the wallet on MetaMask. And the reason why I use Coinbase and why I recommend this, because it's very easy to connect to your bank account or to a credit card, to PayPal or anything like that, and it has super low fees. So if you don't have a Coinbase account yet, go ahead and create it through the link in the description down below, and you can get a $10 Bitcoin bonus. So once you've done that, go to send and receive at the top and pay with Ethereum. Select Ethereum. There it is. Then enter in the amount. So let's say $100 of Ethereum. We have to send it to our address. So go to MetaMask again. Copy your own address and paste it in here. And then hit continue. And it will be deposited directly into your MetaMask account within seconds. So then the amount of Ethereum will display here. So now we are going to transfer this into Kishu Inu coins. So open a new tab and type in Uniswap. And Uniswap allows us to change this to this coin. Go to use Uniswap. And now the app is going to open. And now we have to connect our wallet. So I've already connected my wallet, but this is pretty straightforward. Just hit connect, and then it will be done automatically. So now we can change this from Ethereum to the token we want, which is this one, Kishu Inu. Go to CoinMarketCap again, copy the address, go back to Uniswap, select the token, paste in the address, and there it is, the Kishu Inu. Hit import, and now you get the message, trade at your own risk. I understand, and hit import, and then select the amount of Ethereum you want to change into Kishu Inu. So this is how you can do that, and it will be directly posted in your own account. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.